Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So let's begin the analysis for Bank Nifty and Nifty. So we'll first go over whatever we did, okay, whatever we basically discussed yesterday. It's played out exactly what we thought as, okay. And we had a fantastic day because first of all, we already had overnight put sells. Even with the result, we just took put sells home. Okay, so we got a big gap up. So उसमें like सारे puts पिघल गए basically उसमें. So we got a good profit from there. And intraday, you had a triangle sort of a thing. So I think again we did good in intraday as well. Cool. So like what's next? Okay, what for tomorrow? What's for the expiry, like what's the view now? So we'll start that very soon. Now before we start, I just want to remind you we have a 4-week mentorship program starting in November 9th on Ahmedabad. Okay, so in this program I think we'll teach you price action concepts. If you like our YouTube videos, please enroll for the workshop because our logics and setups, especially the newer ones, they are 10 times better than what we discuss on YouTube, because I cannot share everything on YouTube because you know then no one will join the workshop then. So we've kept actually the best things for the workshop. So if you're interested, you want to like see how we trade, then this is a good program I think for you. Okay, so let's begin with the technical analysis, okay, part of it. So first thing, what's the recap for today? Okay, we had a bullish view, okay, because the weekly time frame, okay, we got a hammer confirmation, okay, so the view is bullish on Bank Nifty. So we expect Bank Nifty to go up. Now it gapped up, okay, because probably HDFC results were good, so we got a decent gap of opening in which all puts had decayed. Okay, so puts fell drastically. If you remember properly, I told you there was some ITM unwinding in calls, which means the market is bullish. So अगर आप देखोगे तो ITMs again they have done unwinding, so the probability of the market falling in this week is very low. Already we had a good decay on the put side. आप देखो ना कितने सारे प्रीमियम्स ये, जैसे कि 51,000 के नीचे के देखो, मतलब सारे puts have decayed. The OI logics also I think for now has worked, okay. So let's see in the next coming 2-3 days, okay. Next, where are the support and resistances for us? Okay, first thing, resistance आज के high पे है because we took this resistance earlier as well. Okay, so this becomes a good resistance zone for, which means automatically if you want to take a good bullish bet, I think now you should take it above 50 to 600 levels. 50 to 600 के ऊपर one strong 15-minute candle should close and then you can take a bullish bet. Now where's the support? Support क्या है, कहाँ है हमारे लिए? So the first support we discussed yesterday was 52,000 के आसपास. I'll show you to you in 15-minute time. Okay, so this is the first level, 52,000 का level for us. This was the resistance. Okay, so market when it comes here, it has to take a support. Now उसके बाद we got a bounce and now again it's consolidating. Now does this impact us? Not really, because I'll tell you why. Yesterday when I like posted that video, in that video I clearly said my view right now, okay, if it gaps up, I think it will come down. This is what I discussed. And in general for the next 3 days, my view is it will remain sideways to bullish sort of a thing. Okay, so even if कल थोड़ा सा नीचे आता है वो, ultimately it should go up and consolidate in this range. This is what I expect. So I think stranglers will make good money by Wednesday. It's whatever analysis we are doing, anyways, Wednesday तक ही important है वो. So what's my bias for tomorrow? My bias is triangles only. Why? Because like now not probably direction has been done. एक बार नीचे हो गया, एक बार ऊपर हो गया, वापस नीचे हो गया. तो lot of movement is already done. Okay, so which means थोड़ा sideways जाना बाकी है अभी. Movement के बाद sideways आता है and then sideways के बाद volatile and then a movement. Usually this is what happens. Okay, so now we are expecting some sideways to volatile kind of a move. Okay, and in general, see whatever levels I discussed, no, lot of people I am reading in the comment section, they wait for our videos. तो आप रुकते हो वो अच्छा लगता है हमको बहुत, but I am just reminding you, whatever trade you take, okay, take maximum 0.5% to 1% SL only in one day for it. Because if that happens ना, मतलब अगर आपका ट्रेड खत्म होता है, अगर लॉस आता है आपको, then please just shut your terminal and then be done for the day. Problem where the problem happens, okay, for example you're already down 1%, okay, उसके बाद आदमी give up नहीं करता है. This not giving up is a big problem. So this 1% से ज्यादा maybe you close at 2.5% loss. फिर इसको recover करने में आपके 2-3 हफ्ते जा सकते हैं, मतलब इसमें तो avoid that nonsense. Now what I'll do, I'll actually take 2-3 questions from YouTube, okay. So the first question I think I want to take is, any thoughts on impact of lot size on trading? Lot size का impact usually will be for only small capital traders, okay. So मेरे जैसे I trade with a very big capital, so मुझे कुछ फर्क आना नहीं है उसमें. In fact for people like us, I think it's good because जो छोटे traders हो गए, they'll be weeded out, okay, from the system. So lot size का मुझे लगता कोई impact ही नहीं होगा for me. So please share views on head and shoulder pattern in Nifty chart, okay. तो इसका भी I'm telling you, like if I think something is going to happen, I'll tell you. Like मेरा view, I think Nifty में I think yesterday I said sideways होगा. So if I really think कि बहुत नीचे जाएगा, I'll let you know. We missed your videos, so I went on loss. Please don't skip the videos. Like don't be dependent or on our analysis. What if like I just stop YouTube? Like what if I'm like not getting the time to make it, okay? तो like फिर क्या करोगे आप? उससे अच्छा मैं आपको सिंपल बताता हूँ. मैं जो लॉजिक्स, अगर मेरे लॉजिक्स अच्छे लगते हैं ना, या निकी के लॉजिक्स आपको अच्छे लगते हैं, तो लॉजिक को लिखो आप और फिर सोचो कि इसने वो क्यों बताया होगा, ओके. and then आपका before you watch my video daily, do your own analysis. So like I know a lot of people, I talk to them daily, like they first write what they're doing. Like there's this guy, immediately after market he shares what his game plan is with me. Every day I read his game plan. Then later on probably he watches my YouTube videos, and then so I think that guy, how he's doing it is the absolute correct method to learn from someone. How can we trade based on news and events? Don't trade news and events ke time pe. That's it Q&A के लिए. I think whatever good question I get, probably tomorrow also I'll cover. Okay, so let's look at Nifty now. Nifty में what we discussed, weekly candles, there's no movement in them, so we can expect a sideways movement in Nifty. Okay, so what are we getting? We expected a sideways movement, we got a sideways day. Nifty is only like down 0.29%, बहुत कम है जो Nifty के लिए. तो ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे क्लोज हुआ था और it's again close somewhere there only. So we expect a sideways movement, and I told you basically Nifty do not miss 24,900 के ऊपर अगर वो जाता है, अच्छा 15 मिनट के 2-3 कैंडल क्लोज होते हैं तो उसमें यू कैन बी एक्टिव. बट अ गुड ट्रेड, यू नो व्हाट्स अ गुड ट्रेड? अ गुड ट्रेड कैन बिकम एक्टिव अबव 25,200. ठीक है, तो दिस रेजिस्टेंस जोन, इसके ऊपर जब भी वन कैंडल पे क्लोज, वी कैन एक्सपेक्ट क्विक अप मूव इन निफ्टी. देन दैट्स अ गुड थिंग फॉर अ बुलिश साइड. बेरिश साइड पे वील प्रोबेबली बी लाइक लुकिंग फॉर अ सपोर्ट अगेन एट 24,500 लेवल, एंड उसके नीचे लेट एटलीस्ट वन डे क्लोज बिलो दैट, एंड देन विल सी व्हाट्स गोइंग टू हैपन. डे टू डे वील ट्राई टू चेक निफ्टी. तो मेरा व्यू बैंक निफ्टी में एज ऑफ नाउ बुलिश है, निफ्टी में साइडवेज है. जस्ट टू समराइज, बैंक निफ्टी में मेरा व्यू क्या है? अगेन लाइक द नेक्स्ट 2 days आई थिंक साइडवेज जाने चाहिए. वो थोड़ा नीचे अगर आता है तो आई थिंक अल्टीमेटली इट विल कम अप. सम साइडवेज सॉर्ट ऑफ मूवमेंट आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग. नॉट टू बिग अ डैमेज टू कॉल सेलर्स, नॉट टू बिग ऑन पुट सेलर्स. इफ एट ऑल देयर इज डैमेज आई एक्सपेक्ट, अगर स्पेशली W बन चुका है, देन आई एक्सपेक्टेड ऑन द अपसाइड. निफ्टी में अगेन एज यस्टरडे लाइक फाइनल आई एम टेलिंग यू 24,900 के ऊपर वी नीड स्ट्रॉन्ग 15 मिनट कैंडल क्लोज. Now see you got a rejection from here, तो यहाँ पे bullish trade बन ही नहीं रहा है. So what you can do, इसके ऊपर when you get a 15-minute candle close, that time you can go long. ठीक है, simple analysis in Nifty and Bank Nifty and a triangle sort of a view. So that's it for today. I covered some questions. I just want to remind you guys to hit the like button, because our logics, they'll tend to work. 9 out of 10 times they're going to tend to work, because we are very high, like chalta hai sort of those analysis only we have. So don't forget to hit the like button. The target for likes for this video, okay, let's keep it at 500. Okay, so I'll see you very soon tomorrow. Bye bye.